Hello, let's learn some colors. Okay, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color, cream color, orange color. Okay, let's draw the colors.
Let's color in all the numbers. Yellow color 1.
One.
ONE 1. Red color 2. TWO 2. Blue color 3. THREE 3.
Blue color 3.
Black color 4. FOUR 4.
Black color 4. And cream color 5.
Cream color 5. FIVE 5.
Cream color 5.
Yellow color 6. SIX 6.
Yellow color 6.
Red color 7. SEVEN 7.
Sky blue color 8.
Blue color 8. EIGHT 8.
Black color
9. NINE 9.
Cream color 10.
Cream color 0. ZERO 0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. ONE 1.
TWO 2. THRE 3. FOUR 4. FIVE 5. SIX 6. SEVEN 7. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. ZERO 0.
Okay.
Okay, bye kids.